We're creating connectors to allow customers to transfer data from one point to the other as fast as possible. And right now, we're putting a lot of energy in that because that's the next big thing.
Within the Samtec Optical Group, we have a group of engineers that are able to take us from what has been the 10 gigabit per channel world that everybody's living in today, and we're going all the way to 28 gigabits per second, and then on to 56 down the road using silicon photonics technology.
All our products are in parallel optic transceivers, specifically for the data center kind of applications.
As technology progresses, optics find places in shorter and shorter distances. We have the densest and most advanced optics on board. It's the idea to have in optics right on board, right next to your IC, turn all those signals into optical and then be free of the limitation of copper.
There is a benefit to being able to do the design as well as the manufacture. You've got the people there that were originally involved in the design of the product. You're involved in the whole life cycle.
We design, prototype and test all of our optics. It's an engineering heavy facility.
What we're really concerned with is how do we send data faster? And so looking beyond what we want in 2 years, but what we want in 5 to 10 years. It will allow us to meet the future demand for bandwidth.
When it comes to 56 gig technology and beyond, Samtec is investing into giving the complete solution. For that, we need unique materials, otherwise you get a lot of noise and loss. So it comes down to new material research work that is needed, and Samtec has started looking into that further. You're working on something new. That's the excitement of bringing something first to market.
Differentiated products like PCIe over optics is not something that anybody else offers. And then we also have the Firefly, which gives the greatest bandwidth density.
Fireflies is extremely small, it's extremely fast, and it's also very easy to put on your board.
We have the ability to do not only the transceiver, but also the connector that it plugs into, and so that gives us a lot more versatility.
With Firefly, we have not only optical, but we have a copper solution. So inside the box, going a short link, we might use Firefly copper solutions. Brings cost way down, also heat becomes less of an issue.
If you look at all the interconnects that happen, we've got all of them. You know, we can bring data in on the front panel, we can fly that to an IC, we can do the IC packaging. We've got the advanced interconnect team to join that board to another. We've got electrical flyovers to go here, and then we go back to silicon on the other side. So it really is silicon to silicon. We've got everything covered. It is very much a collaborative approach.
Being able to have seamless integration of all the different tech centers allows us to stay one step ahead of what the customer needs.